G'day there, welcome to Voice Essentials, the online community where everybody sings. I'm Dr. Dan, a contemporary singing voice specialist with 3 decades of studio and research experience. By the time this video goes live mid-2026, artificial intelligence will have woven itself even deeper into our rehearsal rooms, bedrooms, and live stages. But advanced tech can either accelerate growth or quietly unravel healthy habits. Today we'll discover which AI tools genuinely help beginner to intermediate singers, which ones are mostly marketing hype, and which might harm your developing voice. Along the way, I'll demonstrate simple daily actions so you finish equipped, not overwhelmed.
Sound check.
Let's begin with some theory. At its core, modern vocal AI measures 2 things: frequency data, how high or low each pitch sits, and amplitude envelopes, how loudly the sound is being delivered across time. Machine learning models compare those data points against thousands, if not millions, of reference samples, predict what center pitch should be, then generate visual feedback. Think of it as a digital tuning fork that never gets tired. Not that a digital tuning fork would ever get tired, but when you see the pitch trace flicker above or below the target, you're actually watching a rolling graph of your own breath management efficiency in combination with the ripple wave process of your vocal folds. Inhale too shallowly and the line shakes. Support the phrase with firm diaphragmatic engagement and the trace steadies. Understanding that relationship is step 1 in turning raw data into meaningful improvement. Now for the practical. At the time of recording, apps such as SingSharp and VoiceTools display color-coded pitch wheels that highlight accuracy as you sing. Set a comfortable 5-note major scale, vocalize the pattern on an R, and watch for a steady green halo that confirms center pitch. For harmony practice, cloud platforms like Kits.ai generate 3-part arrangements from any melody you record. Pan the stems left and right in your headphones and work on locking into each interval. Multi-track separators such as Moises remove lead vocals from commercial recordings, giving you a legal backing track to test technique in musical context.
Well, you can tell by the way I use my welcome. Nothing's gonna change the way we live, 'cause we can always take but never give. And that's going nowhere.
Each tool extends deliberate practice between lessons while keeping the human teacher at the center of your learning journey. Of course, not every shiny interface deserves space on your device. Apps that market themselves as your complete AI vocal coach often reduce feedback to green tick gamification.
Perfect.
Hit the note, score a badge. They rarely analyze vowel shape, stylistic nuance, or emotional connection, areas crucial to musical artistry. Voice cloning plugins raise deeper concerns. While they can mock up backing stacks, they also tempt singers to shortcut authentic layering, or worse, upload cloned vocals that mask underdeveloped tone. If your aim is genuine growth, pass on any service promising studio perfection at the tap of a button. Remember, a graph can't feel the resonance in your facial mask or sense tension across your neck. Real-time human feedback remains essential. And let's address potential harm. First, data privacy. Before uploading a warm-up, read the terms of service carefully. Some companies reserve the right to use your samples for additional training, effectively handing strangers a copy of your vocal fingerprint. Second, dependency. Relying on constant on-screen confirmation can mute kinesthetic awareness. To guard against that, schedule at least 1 rehearsal each week where you switch off the display and let auditory memory guide you. Third, vocal health. Beginners may be tempted to run endless retakes under auto-tune, chasing a flawlessly flat trace. Prolonged repetition without rest risks dehydrating mucosal linings and fatiguing vocal folds. Set a timer. 15 minutes on, 5 minutes silent, and drink water at every break. Healthy voices, not perfect graphs, make reliable singers. I'd like to finish by giving you an easy on-ramp. Day 1, download a reputable pitch tracking app and record a simple 5-note scale. Day 2, focus on sustaining each tone for 4 beats while observing stability. Day 3, silence the screen. Sing the same scale from memory, then check accuracy afterwards. Day 4, use a separator to remove vocals from a favourite chorus, replacing the lead line with your own. And day 5, generate a 3-part harmony underneath yesterday's track and practice locking in to each interval. Day 6, rest the voice, but review your data logs to pinpoint patterns. Day 7, share a short clip with a trusted teacher or a singing peer for human feedback. Repeat the cycle, adding new songs and exercises every week. By late 2026, you'll not only understand the tech, you'll actively shape it to serve your artistic goals. Thanks for watching. If you'd like a guided start, my free email mini course, 7 Days to a Better Voice, meshes perfectly with the routine we've just built. Links are in the description below. I'm Dr. Dan. Sing well.